So you have a ball, but I want to show you how to wedge it. So we have one. And all you do with the clay is you kind of push on it and see how it's squishing? Yeah. And you give it a little twist and you push. Squeeze it, roll it forward.
Like bread, just like bread,
it.
just kind of.
It's just like kneading it.
Whack it,
out. Pop it.
Yeah, whip it, slap it.
Who's your daddy?
So we're gonna finish this up, and then you can go ahead and make it back into a ball like you did before I got involved in it. Okay. Okay, go ahead and pat that one. All right, and you come around this way. Katelyn, have a seat in the prime spot here.
Whip it. Get your skirt.
Okay, so this is the middle. That's a ball.
Smack it.
What I want you to do is just plop it pretty firmly right in the middle.
Hard.
Okay, so when I turn it on, it's going to spin around. You're going to get wet.
It's gonna start moving around.
And you're going to put your hands on it.
Okay.
Okay.
And
And then it's going to want to do all this, right?
Okay.
Now, who's the boss?
Me.
All
I
right.
am.
Don't let that clay be the boss, okay? When you want to shape the clay, you want to push hard and reinforce your arms with your knees, right? So like putting your brace in, that's it. And then you're using your whole body to push that clay around, right? But when you push hard and when you're ready to let go, relax your muscles slowly.
Okay.
And just relax and then let go slowly. When you want to start putting pressure on, start slowly and then push harder.
Okay.
Or just let go because it'll fly off.
What you don't do is attack it and then jump away from it.
That's how Mary does. That's how mine.
You know that's what's gonna happen, right?
Okay, let's jump in.
Try to
All right,
remember
enough
to.
talking and let's play with the clay.
So I get it
All right,
wet.
get it
Wet.
wet. So now, slowly let go. Now we're gonna push it down. And this time, you're gonna keep this elbow here, nice and tight, and bring your body forward if you need to, all right? And then with this hand, I want you to put it up on top. Yeah, not quite, like this. And then where your palm is right over the top, and now
Okay.
push down with
Push
this
it.
palm, and just kind of guide it.
Push it real good.
Guide it down as you push. There you go, just like that. Feel it? You see how it changed the shape? Okay.
I'm losing it.
All right, how's that feel?
That feels great, Earl.
All right, so
It's weird with my nails.
So
I'm trying to
slowly put pressure and slowly let pressure off. Don't do anything quickly. Okay, so now the next step,
Look at
we're
that!
gonna kind of make it like a donut. So, looking what you're looking at. Taking this hand with this finger, so you're gonna kind of drag this bottom and make this kind of a shape. So you
Sure I'm
get,
doing this right.
how does that feel?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so don't
This
push
feels
down any
wrong.
further.
That felt wrong.
Push, instead of pushing down, I want you to just push to the side. But
Push
you're making a bowl, look at this. Look at you.
I'm pretty good.
Huh?
I'm pretty good.
Look at that, yeah. Okay,
Ooh, look at
look at
Katelyn.
you. So slowly put pressure on and slowly take pressure off. If it starts to get dry, you'll keep it wet. Okay, so you feel it's, so using this hand on the inside and this hand on the outside, trade hands. Trade hands. Put this hand up slowly. Put this hand on the outside. This hand on the inside. And you're gonna work on just this side of the bowl here, over here.
Hold
Right
the
there.
wall and let it
And
go
then you can
around.
feel the clay in the, oh, no.
Ah!
Wait.
And it's a plate.
That's in place.
Wait.
It's like a fish.
Okay. All right, we're gonna work with what's left.
Okay.
What is the point?
Change the shape. See that? Look at that. Just change that shape. How about that?
Pretty good.
Huh? Okay, now slowly take this hand, put it back on the inside. Right, and then just shape that inside the way you want it.
Tighten up the neck and it'll be a little flower vase.
Think so. We'll do it like that.
You want a pencil holder, a chapstick holder, a flower holder.
Mary.
Oh.
Boop.
Boop. You got a little honeybee hive. A little.
Doing good.
Hey, art is not quickly made.
Yeah, it's the process. Trust the process.
Okay.
So you put
Your finger on the side of it.
And then you can use a sponge to smooth it when you're ready.
Yeah, sure. Run the
If you
sponge on
want
the
to
side.
put a groove in it, you can use this tool and you can make marks on the sides. You know?
I'm a simple girl.
Oh,
So it's
okay.
like that's
It's a nice light touch and you'll just kind of smooth that shape any way you want. And then you're just gonna like hold one side still. In fact, it should be better to pull it.
I would say pull
All
toward her.
right, and then pull tight and pull it to you. There you go.
Cut it
Just
off
like that.
a
Oh,
little.
there you go. Okay, it's
Yeah,
off.
it's loose.
cool.
Okay.